Hey everyone, Tina here. I am super excited that you're here today because I can share with you my huge news. I launched my Botanical Dutch Pour course today and I have a bonus for you. I have several bonus modules that are included in this course where we can take our Botanical Dutch Pours to another level. I want you to get results like this. I promise you, you will absolutely enjoy it. You'll be able to find my course on the Smart Art Course platform where, because of our celebration for today's launch, I'm offering a $15 discount off the total price. I know you're absolutely going to enjoy it, so take advantage of it. It'll run through September 15th. I look forward to seeing you in my course. Hey everyone, welcome back on my art table now. We're getting ready to do this pour today for you. This is what I'd like to have my end result look like. I've drawn it out on my sketch pad, and so that's what we're gonna do today on this pour. I'm super excited. Today's launch day. I'm so excited. So for today's pour, we're gonna start out with, we're gonna do like an olive green with a cerulean blue. I'm gonna put a touch of this deep violet purple in it, a touch of the, it's a chameleon yellow, and a shocking lime green. Those are my color choices. I kind of want this to be really botanical, but throwing in just little bursts of color. So I'm hoping that this design and the color palette will look just so bright and beautiful today. I am in such a happy mood. I'm excited. I'm gonna do this pour, and then the rest of the afternoon I'm just gonna take off and just relax a little bit because I've been working really hard to get that course out to you, and I think I'm going to sit out by my pool this afternoon and enjoy a little bit of sunshine. Today's base is actually going to be a slightly different base. I'm still using my house interior paint, but I tinted it. All I did was put in some of this gray that I had. This is a house interior paint, but it's color place. I just put it in a bottle, and I just put and mixed it with my house interior paint, which is the PPG. I purchased that at Home Depot in a very large bucket, but yeah, I just mixed the two. I think it'll look good with the color choices that I have picked out for today. I just wanted something a little different in the background. So we'll get right into this, and I'll start to lay out my base, and then we'll go through and start designing. All right, I think we're about ready to get started with this beautiful design. I'm excited about this one. I think I'm gonna start about right here. I'm gonna put, like I normally do, a nice little dot, and that really gets me going with where I need to focus and how to start my design. So I'll start one like that. Just kind of creating it as I see it, and I want it to look very plant-like. but I want to keep some negative space on here, so I don't want to overpower. Give it a little bit of branches so it can branch out a little bit. Yeah, I think that's about good. Simplistic, and we'll see about layering all these colors on here. That's a really deep, dark green. I don't typically use, but I love green, so I'm glad I've chosen to use that green. This is only going to go sporadically here and there. Let's see, we'll put in a little bit of this yellow. This yellow will make it come to life a lot because it's really bright, but it doesn't really take over either, so it's nice. I am going to add in one more color, and that is I'm going to add in this iridescent white. I think it'll add to it because now you can see that the background is gray, and this white will give it a little bit more brightness. Let me just add just a tad bit more of this green. Very lightly. All right. I think the design's going to come out pretty nice, guys. I'm going to get my blow dryer and we'll start to design this one and make it come to life. I'll start right in here and kind of blow out this way. Wow, it definitely looks, reminds me of, you know, some place like I'd be in the tropics. So it looks so pretty though. Wow. All those pretty colors are just really popping. Gorgeous. And I'm definitely going to put a focal point about right here. And I'm telling you, it's just going to look like a tropical flower and just very organic looking. I can imagine it already. Wow. Okay. How fun is this one? All kinds of colors. The blending looks good. Oh, I'm gonna have to fix that little area right there. Let me see if I can use my blow dryer. Yeah, I think we're about ready to do the botanical technique to this with a nice focal point right in here. And let's see which direction, like that. Yeah, I'll start right in here with a focal point right in here. I think this is looking really pretty. All coming together. Ah, she's just coming out so pretty. Oh, yeah. This is where I just like to get really creative and see things in my painting that I'm like, oh yeah, I can turn that into something that looks really pretty. Because this one is so tropical, I want to have these leaves to maybe look like a tropical leaf. Like, I just am in love with monstera leaves, so let's just put in a little indents to make them look more in line with monstera leaves. I have learned so much over the past couple years, and Molly with Molly's Artistry and Rinska Downa, they reached out to me and asked if I would like to create my course of the Botanical Dutch Pour and share it with everyone on their platform, on their Smart Art Courses platform. And I didn't know what kind of task that was going to be for me. I'd never built a course before, but I wanted to share. So I went ahead and took the plunge. I took an opportunity, and while I was nervous about it, I made it happen. So I'm so excited to share it with you guys and share my journey with you, how I got started, how I developed the Botanical Dutch Pour technique. And I'm going to be sharing all of that information with you guys. And so much more. And the course even has several bonus modules that are included. So I am very confident that you will absolutely love this course. I think this one is really turning out so bright and so beautiful. Every one of these designs that I create have their own unique personality to them, their own designs. And that's the beauty of working with fluid art, is you're never going to have the end result looking exactly the same. They're all going to be unique creations. And that's what's so special is you know that at the end of your creations, they're going to be yours. They're going to be something that you know no one else will ever see. It's a brand new creation in the world. I love that about these. All are so unique. You'll never be able to go to someone else's home and see that exact same thing unless they made a print of it, which is fine. And I have available prints online of my artwork, but to get the original, it's all original, and you too can be able to create your own originals. I'm going to take one more look over it, but I'm about ready to call this one done. I think she's so bright and beautiful. The composition looks so pretty, so fun. I have a really nice little space right here. I could, after it dried, I could put a little butterfly right there, a little hummingbird coming in. I mean, this painting is set up for a lot of different things, or I could just leave it just like this. Let me know in the comments if you want to see the possibility of something flying into this beautiful tropical flower. That's what it looks like, a tropical flower. And yeah, and then we can just converse back and forth and see what we end up by doing with this beauty. All right, I'm super excited about this one, guys. She came out so pretty, so tropical, so vibrant. Makes me smile. Wow, she's just going to look so gorgeous when she dries. Her design is so pretty. I love it. I love my little leaves. Look at those cute little leaves. Definitely tropical to me. I love it. Wow, look at there. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Leave me comments. Let me know if you're going to take my Botanical Dutch Pour course. I'd love to hear from you. I cannot wait for you guys to see what's inside. I am so thrilled to be bringing you this Botanical Dutch Pour course. Launched today, so I'm super happy. I think that's about it for me today. Until next time, guys, I will see you later. Have a beautiful weekend.